We started this lovely sunny day with the sun salutations up at the ball field. Now we've come home and we're making pancakes. My own homemade recipe for pancakes.
They look delicious.
They are. Usually I put blueberries in them, but I didn't have time.
Just too busy.
Come on. Flipping them over is an art. Which I have not yet. I'm going to use...
Use the tongs. You want some tongs?
I'm going to use a different... Don't look.
That looks great.
Oh my God. Anyway.
Now, this is supposed to be that black color.
Yeah, black and white, yeah. Come on, eat. You're there. Want to put a bit of jam on them too? I do that sometimes. And coffee.